Well, hello. Look at this weather. Blue skies, the sun is just beaming. Gorgeous day down here in South Alabama. Let me tell you why you should have a greenhouse. Today is February the 8th, and I'm getting ready to plant. I'm going to plant squash and zucchini and beets and carrots and all kinds of stuff, which is ironic because our last frost day, average frost day, is the 27th of March. Like, Doug, that's like a month and a half away. Yeah, but that's why you should have a greenhouse. This little thing. It fits perfectly over one of my grow beds. And literally, it's already survived the winter. That's where we put all our tropical plants and our fruit trees, our citrus, things like that over the wintertime. Now, we may get another freeze, I don't know, but it's not going to matter inside this thing. Literally cost me $85 delivered off the old interwebs. So let's get planting. All right, so here we go. Watermelons, carrots, beets, squash, zucchini. It's gonna be fun. I'll probably plant a couple watermelons back there and just let them go over the edge when they go out and do their thing. Everything else will be in here. Let's get to doing it. Okay, what I did to prepare this bed was I just took a shovel and turned over last year's dirt, got it all nice and fluffy again, and then I brought in a wheelbarrow load full of my compost, my secret weapon I keep telling you guys about. And I put some all-purpose fertilizer down, raked all that in real nice and good, and with that and the compost, this should be a really good bed. So right here I'm just planting some watermelons on the back end and just going to let them run over the side and out into the garden when they start to grow, and they should be fine. So right in the middle of the bed, that plant you see me by right now, it's actually an ornamental garlic. It's got beautiful flowers. It's got that wonderful garlic smell, and it's perfect. It keeps bad insects away. The deer don't necessarily like it. It's about the third year I've had it, and it's beautiful when it blooms. So now we're throwing in some beets. I'm pretty excited about this. I've actually never grown beets before in my garden, and they're one of my favorite vegetables. The wife doesn't like them. Christy's not a big fan, but I love them. So I'm going to plant 2 rows, and then the rest will be carrots in this bed. As I start to get around to the carrots, now it's a little bit cramped inside the greenhouse. It just barely fits around the whole bed, which makes it a little bit cumbersome, but that's okay. I anticipate taking this off in a couple weeks and just putting it away for the winter. So it's worth the hassle. There you have it. That bed's all planted, ready to go. Get some water on it. And I think I'm going to put squash and zucchini in this little bed right here. And if it does get cold, I'll be able to cover it, no problem. So that, boys and girls, is why you need a greenhouse. Well, I've mentioned my secret weapon a couple of times, so I figured I'd just show you what it is. If I can get this gate unlocked. That was easy. are you doing? Right here is where our 5 horses, 1 mule, and 5 cows, all of their waste goes. This is nothing but 100% pure horse and cow manure compost. It breaks down really fast. Like down here where we're digging, in the bottom down here, this is all just nice, rich compost. Perfect. Got a ton of it. There's a mountain over there, and all of this here. It's wonderful. Thanks, guys. Say goodbye, Hoss.